All right, so I put everything back how I had it before. So right here, if you guys can see all my cables, all my inputs, I'm going to put in here USB drives, converters that I have that are rare to find. Like for example, sometimes I have difficulties connecting the computer from HDMI to DisplayPort. Now I got a converter here from HDMI to DisplayPort. We have Thunderbolt connections. We have power USB 3.0 connections to USB power supply connections, and we also have a rare of stuff like this. We have connection for a power for a desktop connection. We have a lot of our accessories, our tester that we have. We have a couple of drives that we carry with us in case we have to transfer some files, some HDMI cables, some power supply in case we have to power some devices too with a USB Type C connection. And then, of course, a reader. We have a reader to read other stuff. And not only that, it's also converts into a drive, a disk drive too, that we have a lot of data that we transfer in here. And that I keep in here all the time. And just lock it in place. This is a great thing to actually carry with you. Lock all of them in place, and you will never lose them if you carry this with you all the time. They don't go. Cable management is going to be at ease now that I have this together, and everything fits in this bag in here, well fitted. There's extra breathing room for it to stretch out just a little bit more if you have those bulky cables like I do. But once you have this, it's very simple, durable, easy to take with you on the job sites, easy to take when you're traveling. You can use it not just for your cable like I did, but you can use it for anything. Not only can you use it for cables like I did, but you can utilize this for pretty much anything that you want. From it could be from your hobbyist collections, your tools, to cables. So very simple out of the box. Hope you guys enjoy this video.